this movie is somewhere down the line a tribute to all those brave soldiers who have laid their lives down for India. You know, every time there is a cross-border terrorism attack happening, and when soldiers lose their lives, we see a lot of statement of sympathy condemning those attacks from our own artists, but none from the Pakistani artists. So that has always been a bone of contention. Recently, Subhash Chandra Ji said that he requested those Pakistani artists to condemn the attack without naming Pakistan, but they refused. So in this case, I mean, how do you look at it? Isn't that unfair on their part?
So, if I have to answer it, I just think it's important about what we do. We are not in a position to opinionate about what the others do or don't do. So, we can only speak for ourselves. Sonakshi didn't speak for whether she goes through the emotion, whether I go through the emotion, and what we express is solely our opinion. And I'm just very fortunate to be a part of the film industry because I think we really go out there and we express our solidarity with not only our country but with our soldiers who I again say on record are the true heroes of this country.
Sonakshi, your point?
Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, this whether it gets carried forward or doesn't get carried forward, whether it's reaching us or not reaching us, we don't know. So we can only speak for ourselves and do our job, which is to stand by our own people. So that is what we are doing.
You're playing a Pakistani journalist in your next movie.
Noon, but my next movie will talk about next time.
Yeah, the question is, now there has been a lot of objection raised over the inclusion of Pakistani actors in Bollywood movies. Do you think we should encourage the talent of Pakistani actors, or the ban is justified?
Honestly, I would not like to comment upon that right now, but all I can say is that I'm not playing a Pakistani journalist. The film is just based on a book which was written by a Pakistani author. It's been adapted to Mumbai, and now let us get back to Force 2.